Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a Christmas gift guide to help give any last minute Christmas gift ideas if you're stuck on what to give someone.
And we are going to be covering both men and women. So I know that, sometimes it's kind of hard to buy for your dad or boyfriend, brother even. So hopefully this will be helpful.
Yeah.
We have some of the gifts with us, but a lot of mine, I just don't have them. So we'll just insert pictures with them so you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I think Katie has pretty much all of the ones that she's going to be talking about. So
Ish.
little disclaimer there. Yeah.
Yes.
Ish. Okay. Well, since you have a lot of the products here, we're going to do women first.
Yeah.
So take it away.
Okay.
Here we go.
So I guess we'll start kind of with beauty-ish products maybe?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my first gift idea is these Huda Beauty like mini palettes. I think they have 4 different colors and they're maybe $28 and like they have different color stories. There's a blue, there's a green, I believe an orange neutral color one, and a purple. And they're really great if you have a makeup lover who is potentially like trying to get into using more color or just wants to try new things. It's like a really quick and easy way to just, oh, I'm gonna do a purple look. I have everything I need right here, you know?
Yeah.
So I really like these. They're fun. And it'd be a cute little gift.
Yeah, really cute. Stocking stuffer.
Yeah.
They're small.
They are small. They're really small. Really little.
Cute. I love that.
Yeah.
The beauty product that I actually have here because I literally gifted it to Katie a few hours ago. So I was like, you're going to be opening your Christmas present now because we're putting it in the gift guide because that's how good it is, in my opinion. Okay, but it is the Kaja Beauty Bento. It comes in this little box.
So cute.
It's so cute. It's really small. Not too small though, like the pan sizes are good. It looks like this, and this is the color story of this one. Katie really likes her neutral warm browns, so that's why I got her this one. But this is the toasted caramel shade range. So there's a highlight kind of shade in there, and then there's it's just also really fun to open. And then there's medium brown.
So pretty.
Really, really pretty. My sister has this in that orange pinky colors and they're gorgeous on. And then that's the one I just opened, so just kidding. And then this is a really deep bronzy color. Not too expensive either and really fun for travel. And I don't know, I just think anyone, whether you're into makeup or not into makeup, would really like that.
We always say too, like when we travel, we generally travel with a matte palette, and sometimes you're like, oh, I really wish I had one shimmery eyeshadow.
Yeah.
But like all of our favorite shimmers are in a palette, so that's perfect for if you want to go traveling and you just need the one shimmer eyeshadow to kind of complement your mattes.
And you can get it exclusively at Sephora. You can get it in store online too, but we'll link all of the things you talk about in the description bar.
My next gift idea is ColourPop liquid lipsticks or their lip glosses. These are great if you are getting, let's say you're getting someone like a sweater and you just need one little extra something. They're only $6 and they're really nice quality, and all the liquid lipsticks that I've tried from them stay on like no other.
Yeah.
And they have a huge shade range and I just think they're really great. I think I would be happy to get one, so.
Yeah, for sure. So I'm going to be getting one of my friends this year a Morphe lip topper holiday set. And it's 20 to 30 different shades. It's a lot.
That many?
It's a lot. And I'd say each one's about this big.
Oh my gosh, I didn't realize that many.
So many. Yes, and the price is right. I got mine from Ulta. And you can wear, Sarah really thinks I'm funny. You can wear them as a lip gloss over top anything if you want to, but I personally just love dabbing a little bit of sparkle in the center of my lip, and I think it looks really pretty. So there's a bunch of different colors, and I just feel like any beauty lover would love getting that.
For sure. Now moving on to some non-beauty items. This brand Gorgiana, they make really pretty jewelry. They have a few stores and they're online too, and they're sold at like Nordstrom and stuff. They just had really cute rings that you could get someone like one or two, and they could be cute little stacking rings. But they're cute because they're all different like stones, like healing stones kind of.
Yeah.
So this one's black onyx and it's for protection. And so
Love that.
it's really cute, again, if someone's kind of into the healing crystal vibe. Or
You know we are.
or something like that. This is cute, and like you could get 2 or 3 and stack them. And I bought them at a store, and so I bought a few, and so they came in a cute little box, and it's like a jewelry bento box vibe.
We're just really into the bento boxes this
Yeah.
year.
So
Love it.
yeah, I think that's kind of cute.
So cute. Okay, and then a jewelry gift that I also got for a family member are these ear crawlers from Amazon. You guys know how I love Amazon jewelry. They've got some good stuff that really does look good. Looks nice. But these are $9.99, which you would never believe. They have really good reviews. Like no one's, said that they've irritated or tarnished or anything. And they come in silver, gold, and rose gold, which I love the rose gold, honestly. But I think that this would be perfect for anyone that you're maybe not sure what to get them, and you know that they have their ears pierced. I think they're perfect for somebody who, just has one piercing, because it just goes all the way up.
So it looks like there's something more going on.
But it's really like intricate details, so it's not too much. So maybe for somebody that, is a little more simple and you're not really sure what to give them, I think this would be a great gift.
Great idea. My next thing is a Swell water bottle. I think these are great gifts because,
Love it.
especially like in this day and age, all about the reusable water bottles.
Totally.
Yeah, and the Swell ones are really great. My water always stays cold in them, and they're cute. You can get like a ton of different designs and colors and everything, and they also keep hot beverages hot.
Yeah, they're so good.
Yeah, they're really great, and they're kind of like indestructible too, which is good because I drop my water bottle all the time.
And there's different sizes too.
Yeah.
They have a really small one. I know some people got them for their dogs, so there's that.
Oh, I didn't know that.
And they have like a huge size where like I know one of my friends who's more of an athlete like loves that.
Yeah.
So you can kind of tailor it to who you're buying for
Yeah,
too.
I think they're great.
Okay, and then the last gift for any girls or women in your life. This is more of like a personable one that you can kind of customize yourself, but I have a Polaroid camera, and so I know they're really popular, so any of you guys that, take a bunch of pictures with your family and friends, I ended up taking like usually like 2 or 3 from whatever like event I'm at, with my friends, whether it's like a party or something, and I do that so that I have like an extra one that I can give away to a friend. And I love these little, it's almost like a snow globe frame from Urban Outfitters, and they have ones with glitter and different colored sparkles, and
So cute.
it's so cute. And I have given this as Christmas, birthday, graduation, whatever, and it's so easy to just put the picture in, and then it looks so beautiful, and it's just really
Nice, thoughtful gift.
really thoughtful. Yeah, I really like to do that, I guess. So yeah, love that one.
My last gift for girls/women is a fun teddy coat. They're really cool right now.
So in.
So hip and with it, trendy girls.
That's who we are.
But I just think they're so cute, and for the wintertime they're perfect, and it's like casual, but you still put effort into your outfit, and they come in like literally every color under the sun. And this one's green. It's from Vici. And it's like a motor-y style motor jacket, whatever.
So
teddy
cute.
jacket. It has zippers, like asymmetrical zip and pockets and all that. And thank you so much. It's a big jacket, so it's hard to hold up. But it's really cute. It goes like just past the hip, and it's really flattering and just cozy. Like you feel like you're wearing a sweatshirt, but you're wearing a real jacket. So I think this would be perfect for anyone who is into fashion, but also is like me and doesn't actually want to wear uncomfortable clothes.
100%. Yeah, love that.
Yeah.
I want it. It's really comfortable. We're now going to move on to buying gifts for the men in your life, whether it's, fathers, boyfriends, brothers, whoever.
They're so hard to buy for.
So hard. I don't know if
Always.
anyone struggles with this, but I know I do.
I do as well.
So, from just stuff that we've gotten for the men in our lives, that's what we'll be sharing with you. First one, okay. So I know that fragrance is a very personal thing, but our dad, it's kind of a thing that a lot of times we'll give him fragrance every year as a gift. And last year's fragrance was Spice Bomb by Viktor and Rolf. Ladies, you probably are familiar with the Flower Bomb fragrance. That's
It's a really pretty pink bottle.
super popular, smells so good. This is the men's version. I mean, we smelled this and we were like, I don't know, someone needs to smell like this. So we gave it to our dad. Loves it every time he wears it too. He gets compliments on it, or we'll be like, what are you wearing? And he's like, you literally bought me this. So, and I think it's like such a, it is like a spicier, like sophisticated scent, but like I personally love that, even in women's scents too. So I think that it's very like age appropriate for like anyone.
Yeah.
Like I think like, you know, if you're older you can wear it, and if it's your boyfriend, like it's great if he smells like that too.
Right.
So pretty versatile.
So my first suggestion for what you could get a guy is a nice card holder or wallet, because I feel like that can, like, guys don't carry purses, they don't, you know, a lot of the times. So it's just like a nice thing that they can have. So a really cute, pretty leather wallet or card holder or something, I think is a really great gift for them. And
Totally.
you know, they'll always think of you when they use your wallet too.
And I'll
or
buy
when they use their wallet.
Yeah, and I recently bought one for someone, and like they really differ in price ranges.
Yeah,
and
you can get some for super cheap.
guys are lucky because women's wallets usually aren't that inexpensive, but for some reason men's card holders and wallets are definitely on the more affordable side.
Yeah.
So, and I also feel like it's something that guys will neglect a lot too. Like they just have a really old one that they haven't bothered replacing. So
Yeah.
it's something good to receive for sure.
Yeah, I feel like sometimes they're just like, oh, it's still functioning. But
You don't want
not,
that.
It might not look that great.
Yeah.
So yeah, just like a revamp.
Yeah, 100%. Next thing I would recommend is a coffee cup warmer. There's one from Brookstone. If I can't find that one, I'll link to another one. But that one specifically comes to mind. I think this is so great for anyone that drinks coffee, whether like they're at home and, you know, they just are reading the paper on their computer or something. It'll keep their, you know, cup of joe warm. And then, or if you're someone who, you know, is more in an office setting and you don't want to keep going back to the coffee machine and like interacting with people, no, you can just have it at your desk, and it's one of those things that a lot of people might not really think is unique, but honestly it's one of those things that you didn't really know that you needed until you had it.
My next gift suggestion for guys is a cool hat. I feel like it's a cool accessory for them, and it can really change an outfit. I think Salty Crew is a really cool brand. They have a bunch of different designs. It's a little more like, I don't know, like a little more oceanic vibes.
Sure.
So
what does that look like?
Like sailor.
It's like if you took bear with me,
Okay.
Bass Pro Shops and mixed it with Quicksilver.
But like cool?
Cool. Trendy.
Okay. So another fashion pick for men would be Allbirds. They're very in right now.
I had no clue what they were.
I mean, there's girls my age who wear them. My dad just got a pair. My uncle lives in his. Like, guys are wearing them. They're basically like a dressed up sneaker, but
Love
they're
that.
made entirely of wool, and it's like recycled, so it's all you can feel good about the environment. Very LA. But they're probably, I think, like around, they're a little bit more expensive, so like $90 to $100, I believe. But there's some really cool colors, and they're just kind of like a really nice way to dress down an outfit. And I feel like a lot of guys are trying to do that, like, I don't care, but like look polished vibe.
I don't care, but I do.
But I do, especially in California. I feel
Right.
like that's more of a trend. So I think that's a really nice gift to give any guy.
Yeah. My next gift for guys is tickets. I feel like sometimes guys, like, it's really hard to like nail down a specific like tangible item that they would want, and sometimes they would rather have a cool experience. So I think tickets to either like a concert or a sporting event or just like anything that like they could go do, but they normally maybe wouldn't spend the money on,
Totally.
but they would love to go. I feel like that's a really good gift, and you know, could be you could get 2 tickets, go with them. You
Fun.
know?
You're like a little bonus.
Exactly.
Yeah. Totally.
Quality time with whoever you want to give a ticket to.
I love quality time.
So I think they're a great gift.
Yeah, love that idea. My last gift idea for guys is a, I guess, like more beauty, skincare-ish. It's a hair product. Who are we kidding? But it's by the brand Kiehl's, which I feel like is very popular.
It is.
It smells really good. It really does what it says. But this one in specific is the Cream Silk Groom. Had to look at it because that's really a crazy name. It's a lot. But basically, you kind of just take it and rub it in your hands and zhuzh it in your hair. And I feel like for, you know, like guys that kind of like want to do something but like not get too crazy with it, you just kind of like run it through. If you watch Queer Eye, it's kind of like when Jonathan just like says, "Do you have a hair pomade? That's all you need, honey." And then he just like runs it. I feel like that's what this product is. So
It's like a finishing touch.
a finishing touch. Yeah, exactly.
Love
So-
it. And they may not buy that for themselves.
No.
Okay, my final gift. I know I've mentioned this before, but I'm just like such a huge fan of Yetis. I think this would be a great gift for a guy. Like, these are really nice cups, and who wouldn't want a large beverage cup that keeps your drink really cold?
How long? Like, how long does it keep it?
Like, I put ice in this in the morning, and it will still be like solid ice by 5 p.m.
That is wild.
So, like, this is no joke.
You put beer in it?
Yeah, they have, okay,
They like that?
these are cool because they have different sizes and shapes and everything. So they literally have like, well, they have this, and then they have big coolers, and the coolers are cool.
Yes.
They're expensive, so if
Really?
you want to spend more money, but Yeti coolers are awesome coolers. And, or they have like beer koozies that you put the beer can in.
Seen those, yeah.
And they keep your beer really cold, so that's also cool. Or just the cups in general, or any Yeti product essentially, I feel like is a great gift for a guy. I just think they're really multifunctional and amazing.
Love it.
Yeah. So those are all of our gift ideas.
We hope you guys maybe got some ideas from this. We really tried to think of things that we would, you know, either like to receive or have given people in the past and have loved it.
Yes.
So we hope that this is helpful for any last minute shopping, and hope that everyone has a very happy and safe holiday.
And if you haven't watched our last video where Lauren does this eye makeup look, you should go check that out. We'll have it linked down below.
Because you could wear it to your holiday party.
Where you give one of these gifts.
And then it's just like wrapping it all up in one to a nice little
Good to go.
bow. Good to go.
You know?
But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.